Morning students, class 8, chapter number 4, practical geometry, exercise 4.3. In the previous video, we have complete exercise 4.3, question number 1, first and second part. Now we start its third part. In the third part, we have to draw a parallelogram HEAR in which some measurement are given. So with the help of measurement, we have to draw a rough figure. And we just suppose we have to draw a rough figure. HEAR is a required parallelogram in which parallelogram HE 5 centimeter, EA 6 centimeter, angle are 85 degree. Then now with the help of rough figure we have to construct a parallelogram HEAR. Okay student, now we have to construct parallelogram HEAR in which these measurements are given. And we know that it is a parallelogram, and in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal. So we can say that RA also 5 centimeter and HR also 6 centimeter because it is a parallelogram. So now start. So firstly we have to draw RA 5 centimeter, and to draw RA 5 centimeter we mark two endpoint. First at 0 and second at 5 and join these two endpoint. So it is the line segment RA. Now we have to draw angle 85 degree because 85 degree is not possible with the help of compass. So we have to draw 85 degree with the help of protractor. We overlap point R from this point, and now because we overlap the given line segment from this line, it's mean right side of the point, it's mean we have to read angle anti-clockwise direction. So 85 degree is between 90 and 80, it's mean this angle is 85 degree. And now we join this point to R, which is angle of 85 degree. Now HR is equal to 6 centimeter. So we take distance 6 centimeter in the compass. Put the compass at R and draw an arc which cut ray of 85 degree angle at this point, and it is a point H. AE also 6 centimeter. Put the compass at A, draw an arc of 6 centimeter. Now H equal to 5 centimeter. So we take distance 5 centimeter in the compass and put the compass at HA, draw an arc which cut the previous arc at this point, and it is a point E. RA, which is a 5 centimeter. Now join A to E, E to H, and H to R. It is 6 centimeter. Its length is 5 centimeter. It is also 6 centimeter. So finally we can say that HEAR is a required parallelogram. So I sure the question is clear. Just try it. Okay students, now we discuss question number 1, fourth part, in which we have to draw a rectangle OKAY in which some measurement are given. So firstly we have to draw a rough figure in which a rectangle OKAY in which OK is 7 centimeter, KA 5 centimeter, and we know that rectangle in which each angle is 90 degree and opposite sides also equal. So is also 7 centimeter, it is also 5 centimeter. So like first question, third part, we can try it yourself. Same condition are given. Firstly we draw 7 centimeter, draw angle 90 degree at O, cut an arc of 5 centimeter, and from Y draw an arc 7 centimeter, from K draw an arc of 7 centimeter, 5 centimeter, and join these two arcs at point A. So finally OKAY is a required rectangle we obtain. So this part try yourself. Okay student, now we start exercise 4.4 question number 1. In the question number exercise 4.4 first question we have to construct following quadrilateral DEAR. Some measurements are given. So firstly we have to draw a rough figure, and suppose we have to draw a rough figure. We have to draw a rough figure in which D equal to 4 centimeter, angle E 60 degree, EA 5 centimeter, angle A 90 degree, AR 4.5 centimeter. In the rough figure we observe that the angles are given which are not as a base angle. So firstly we convert the rough figure in this form in which base angles are considered as a base angles. For this the construction may be very easy. So we have to draw a rough figure DEAR in which same measurement are considered, but these angles are now base angles. So now start rough its fair figure. Okay students, now we start question number 1 first part, in which firstly we have to draw a line segment 5 centimeter. So we mark two endpoint, first at 0 and second at 5, and join these two endpoint. It is a line segment EA. Now at E we have to draw angle 60 degree with the help of compass. Repeat the same procedure discussed in the previous video. It is the arc of 60 degree and join it to from E. Now at A we have to draw angle 90 degree with the help of compass using same procedure. Arc of 60 degree, it is a arc of 120 degree, and between them these two arcs cut each other at 90 degree. So it is a ray of 90 degree. Now taking distance 4 centimeter in the compass, put the compass at E, draw an arc which cut the ray of 60 degree angle at point D. Now taking distance 4.5 centimeter in the compass, put the compass at FA at F and draw an arc which cut the ray of 90 degree angle at R, and its length is 4.5 centimeter. Its length is 4 centimeter. Join D to R, R to F, D to E, and E to F also. So finally DEAR is a required quadrilateral. So I showed the question is clear. I again repeat, when we draw a rough figure and in which if the given angles are not base angles, so please change the rough figure and draw the rough figure like this in which angles are considered as a base angle. So by which the construction is very easy. So I showed the question is clear. Just try it. Okay students, now we discuss question number 1 second part. In this second part we have to draw a quadrilateral TRUE and some measurements are given. So with the help of measurement we have to draw a rough figure. We have to draw a rough figure TRUE in which angle R, angle U, and these measurements are given. You can match them. Then how can we construct it? So like question number 1 first part, we can just try it because same construction but measurements are different. So it is very easy. You can try yourself, and if you have any problem you can discuss with me. Okay, student. Now we start exercise 4.5. Question number 1. In the question number 1, we have to draw a square READ with measurement R equal to 5.1 centimeter. We know that square is a quadrilateral in which each angle is 90 degree and all sides are equal. So firstly, we have to draw its rough figure in which READ is a square, 5.1 centimeter is each side and each angle is 90 degree. Then how can we construct it? So its construction is like exercise 4.3 question number 1 fourth part, in which we have to draw a rectangle in which opposite sides are mentioned and angle 90 degree. So its construction बिल्कुल like same 4.3 question number 1 fourth part. So please read the question properly and construct question number 1 of exercise 4.5 yourself. And if you have any problem, you can discuss with me. Okay students, now discuss its question number 2. In the question number 2, we have to draw a rhombus whose diagonals are 5.2 centimeter and 6.4 centimeter. So how can we construct it? Its construction we have done already in the exercise 4.2. Firstly, we have to draw its rough figure. Suppose we have to draw a rhombus ABCD, rhombus in which all sides are equal and diagonal bisect each other at 90 degree. This construction we also done in exercise 4.2 question number 1 third part. In the question number 1 third part, we have to draw a rhombus BEND in which same conditions are given, both diagonals are given and diagonal also bisect in 90 degree. So please try this question to yourself and you can help question number 1 third part of exercise 4.2. Okay students, now we discuss question number 3. In the question number 3, we have to draw a rectangle with adjacent sides length 5 cm and 4 cm. So its rough figure is like this. We suppose we have to draw a rectangle ABCD in which adjacent sides 5 cm 4 cm are given, opposite side also equal and each angle also 90 degree. This type of construction we have already done in exercise 4.3 question number 1 fourth part. So you can take help the question number 1 fourth part of exercise 4.3 and try this question yourself. Okay students, now we discuss question number 4. In the question number 4, we have to draw a parallelogram OKAY in which OK and K are given. So firstly we have to draw its rough figure. OKAY is a required parallelogram in which opposite sides are equal. So OK and YA both 5.5 centimeter, KA and OY both are 4.2 centimeter. And the question is it unique? क्या ये हमेशा एक जैसे ही पैरेललोग्राम बनेगा? This type of construction we have already done in exercise 4.5 question number 1 third part. But in this question angle R is also given. But in this question this angle is not given. So this angle you can construct yourself. Suppose 85 degree, 80 degree, 70 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. It's your choice. So it's mean the construction you can take. This angle is your choice. Suppose आपने 90 डिग्री ले लिया, 85 डिग्री, 75 डिग्री, it's your choice. तो it's mean we can say that the parallelogram is not unique. आप इसको किसी भी टाइप का बना सकते हो. It's mean angle O you can take yourself. तो I sure this question is clear. Now chapter 4 is complete. In the next video we continue next chapter. Thank you very much.